Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
I'm going to show you how to remove the spare tire from a 2012 Equinox. Located in the furthest part of the car in the back, the compartment area. Convenient handle to lift up. Remove the panel, set it aside. You have the safety clamp that holds it down. Before you take the tire out, you obviously would be using the jack. The jack needs to come out first. By doing that, you twist the plastic mounting screw. Set it aside. Lift and pull out. And there's your jack. On the jack, conveniently shows you the jack points on the vehicle and how to line them up with the pinch points in the slotted hole. Now you'd reach into the compartment, lift it up. On the right hand side here, we have the lug wrench located under Velcro strap. And on the other side, we have the hook that goes together to jack the car up. In these next steps, I'm going to show you how to use the factory jack to jack the car up to change the tire. Hopefully you'll never have to do this in a dangerous situation, but it's a scissors jack. So you can turn this freely by hand, save yourself some time to get to the height. On the side of the jack, the manufacturer gives you photos of the pinch points in which the jack will sit in. This particular model is right here for the rear. Once you get it snug, that's where this tool comes in. Hook it in. Line it up with the slot. Turn away. Before you lift the car up off the ground, you want to make sure that's nice and snug. Take the hook out. You want to break free the lug nuts before the pressure is off the car. With the factory lug wrench, they make it so that it expands for better leverage. You're going to be pushing down to loosen. Now with all the lug nuts relatively loose, you continue to jack the vehicle up. Safety reasons, if you're on the side of the road, see if you can find a rock, a good sized log, place it in front of the two front tires to help the vehicle from rolling. Now with the jack up high enough, the tire will come off. Now to put the spare tire on, make sure you're clear of anything. Don't sit on your butt and put your legs under the car. That could be in a bad situation. Then you're just going to put the lug nuts on, all hand tight. Then we're going to lower the jack till the tire is on the ground, not all the way, just enough to feel a force. Now with the tire on the ground, we're going to extend the handle and tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. You're going to go around several times. Now you're safe enough to get to your destination the closest as possible.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.